Dear listeners, welcome to TCMIC Professional Broadcasting. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey centered around a remarkable exhibition, the EMO Exhibition, and a distinguished company we'll find there. Vision Y Tech Co. Limited. The EMO Exhibition, known as the world's premier metalworking trade fair, is set to grandly open its doors this September. This exhibition gathers top-notch companies from all around the world to showcase their latest innovations and technological breakthroughs. Amid this highly anticipated event, Vision Wide is set to unveil their latest masterpiece, the high-speed double-column machining center SM machine model. Established in 1999 and officially operational since 2000, Vision Wide has been dedicated to the development, design, manufacturing, production, and quality management of CNC machine tools. Their primary focus lies in providing high-precision double-column machining centers, widely applied in domains like auto parts, small car molds, and mold bases. This time, at the EMO Exhibition, Vision Wide will showcase their brand-new high-speed double-column machining center SM machine model. This exhibition product integrates advanced structural analysis and optimization techniques, ensuring optimal high dynamic rigidity for stable machining even at high speeds. Its high-precision positioning function makes it an ideal choice for precision machining of auto parts and small car molds. Optimized positioning accuracy, expanded Y-axis machining stroke, a cutting speed of up to 15 meters per minute, and a machine tool structure designed for high-torque, high-speed cutting applications. All these features elevate this machine model's prowess in the machining arena. If you're eager to experience the high-speed double-column machining center SM machine model firsthand, remember to look for Vision Wide's booth number at the EMO Exhibition. You'll find them at Hall 16, booth E13. Let's eagerly anticipate this promising exhibition and together explore the path toward the future of industrial automation. Thank you for tuning in to TCMIC Professional Broadcasting, where we'll continue to bring you in-depth reports on industry and automation.